Hey there! So, let's dive into a common networking problem that you might face. Picture this. You're trying to forward a range of ports for UDP protocol to a container, but you hit a roadblock when the UFW tool complains about the code src rangecode option in your iptables rules. Frustrating, right? Don't worry, we got a solution for you. In the solution, we discover that the code src rangecode option is only available if you load the iprange module using code iptables, and it only accepts IP address ranges, not port number ranges. Instead of code src rangecode, you can use code sportcode with port number ranges in the format code start. In code, such as code sport 1000:1999 code. It's important to note that for port forwarding, it's usually the code portcode parameter that you should be using, as the source port is typically randomized. Now, to wrap things up, remember that mixing up TCP and UDP in your rules might cause unexpected behavior. Always make sure to match the correct protocol, and consider using the multi-port module if you need to specify a multiple port ranges in a single rule. And there you have it. Problem solved. I hope this explanation has been helpful in clarifying how to handle port forwarding and iptables rules for UDP traffic. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay tech savvy, folks.